Today I'm popping in to do a quick review on this black drafting chair. This is a really awesome chair and it was super easy for me to go ahead and assemble all by myself. I am not a handy woman whatsoever and I had no problem putting this thing together in less than 15 minutes. It comes nicely packaged, everything is securely fastened, everything is bubble wrapped. You'll see this is everything that you're going to get in the bag. Again, everything is individually wrapped, so you know that you're going to get it all in one sound piece. I was honestly very impressed with the quality of all of the products and the details of the instructions for setup. They were very easy to follow step by step, and they even came with extra screws just in case you lose one while you're assembling. The construction of this drafting chair is amazing. The welding is great. It's extremely solid, and the metal is a very sturdy, strong, solid metal, and all you need is an Allen wrench to put it together. That Allen wrench is included so that everything that you need to set up is included in the box as soon as you open it. Putting this drafting chair together was an absolute breeze. I had no problem whatsoever. Everything went together perfectly and I had no problems. My husband is 220 pounds and this chair holds his weight amazingly. This is definitely a heavy-duty drafting chair if that's what you're looking for. The hydraulic pump underneath the chair is amazing. It has a little bit of a spring to it when you sit down on it. The backrest holds your weight well, and it's really nice because you can raise it up to a bar stool height very easily just using the lever that's underneath the chair. And then to lower it, it's also very easy to just decompress that little lever and you'll go right down. The quality of this chair is really nice. It has a nice matte vinyl finish to the seat. The seat has a nice plushness to it. It's pretty thick. All the stitching is done very nicely, so the quality is just awesome. I can't say enough about the quality. The little footrest that comes on the chair is adjustable, so all you have to do is adjust this little knob here, and you can raise or lower that depending on how high you want the seat, so it is fully customizable. And the wheels that are on this seat just glide on the floor very smoothly. It's very easy to turn and move in whatever direction you need to, so it's a very nice chair. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this chair. It is a product the manufacturer gifted me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion, so hopefully this review helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not.